frequently and don't maintain it, it will hold a memory. And if it holds that memory too long, you will actually lose capacity out of the battery. All right, so here's our power setup on this car. Shout out to XS Power, they keep us hooked up. This is a SB 500 farad capacitor over here, and this is an all glass matte D3400, which gives you a really good amp hour rating, and this gives you surge power for heavy cranking. So the car cranks like it has big D, like a Group 31 in it, but really it's got this 3400, which gives us the reserve power so we can run the electric water pump and the fans for an extended amount of time. This car has 4 fuel pumps, 1 on each belly of the tank, 2 high pressure pumps in the surge tank, and then you got dual fans, electric water pump. So there's a lot of current on this. So this setup keeps us rolling really well. This battery was hurt over the winter. It's sitting in Tennessee on the winter. Anytime you have one of these all glass matte batteries, keep a tender on it. If it's going to sit for more than 3 weeks, especially through a winter, you got to keep battery tender on them. They are sensitive to dropping to extreme low voltage and staying there. It does create a memory on the batteries. So there you go. That's our power setup that keeps us going. XS Power keeps us with plenty of juice. That way we can run the fans and the water pump and cool temps down with the engine off.